Hello dear student, this is Rajesh sir. If you have any doubt, you can ask the doubt from this number on WhatsApp 9553979427. You can get the video solution of your question on YouTube channel MPC Rajesh sir. So now one doubtful question is here. This question is from JEE means 2017. So 2017, year of 2017, JEE main ask this question, and this question from binomial. This question from the binomial theorem. So based on binomial theorem, they ask these questions. The question is the value of C1 and CR. No? So the value of C21 1 minus C110 plus C221 minus C210 dot like this much term is the addition, add C1021 minus C1010. So what is the value of this A, B, C, D in which of the correct option? So this is your question. How can you solve this type of? What is the approach of this type of question? First, while we are reading this question, we understand this question from binomial theorem. Now, in our mind, whatever the formula required for the binomial theorem immediately will come. So many formula. So in which formula is required here? So that type of C1 21, C2 21, C2 10 like that this term. So this is nothing but the formula is required for here means one of the formula here, some important formula which is useful for this question. So remember this type of formula: C1 n plus C2 n plus C naught n plus C1 n plus C2 n dot Cn n means 0 1 n 1 n like 0 1 2 3 dot n means this and will be the same. Means this is the 20, this is also 20, this is 10, this is also 10. So when this type of addition is written, so this value will become as equal to this value will become as 2 to the power n. So I am going to explain like that some example. Take the example of this formula. So this formula example is like C naught, take the 5, C naught 5 plus C 1 5 plus C 2 5. So dot will add, this is 5 means total here 5, 0 1 2 3 C 5 5 means 5 5 both are same. 1 to 5 means 0 to n is here, means 0 to 5 here. So here also 1 2 3 4 5 till 5 if it is like that 0 n means here also 0 1 2 3 4 n. If like the written in the addition form, it is equal to what? 2 to the power means 2 to the power 5. This is the value of 2 to the power 5. Similarly, another example also we are taking. If the written in the form of C naught, like take the 9 plus C1 9 dot C9 9 means 9 9 9 term is there. So it is equal to 1 2 3 4 9 till 9 is there. Then is it equal to 2 to the power 9? The condition is 0 1 2 3 4 till n term 1 2 3 here n means 9 here means 9 term should be here 9 9. If it is not like 9 here 8 only, like C8 C9 8 here, then this is not valid the formula. So this formula is valid only C not n means here n should be 1 2 3 4 5 n, then it is equal to. So now you understand the formula. Whatever if here 21 means here also written in the form of 21, then if 10 here means 1 2 3 4 10 means then here you can add 2 to the power 10. This is the formula. Okay, I hope it is clear. This is required for this question, this is the formula. I am selecting whatever the formula required for this question. So when the question will come in front of you, this is the approach. Which formula is required for this question immediately has to come in your mind. How C term is like C term is the addition of C term. By looking, we can understand the addition of C term. So this type of formula required here. We got the approach. Next, this is the value of NCR. Means NCR is equal to C NC N minus R, like that. So if the term will be like, think C N value is 10. Here 5, not like same, not wanted. Like here, take the any value 6. Then is it equal to, this is NCR, then equal to C10, 10 minus 6 is equal to C10 4. Meaning that C10 6 is equal to C10 4. Like that term I am writing. If here a 9 is there, so if here a 9 means 10 minus 9 1 means C C 10 9 is equal to C 10 1. Both are equal from this formula. That will be used in this question. Another one term is useful. This is nothing but whatever the C if 10 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, C 21 0 is equal to also 1. Similarly, C 35 0 is equal to 1. Means if C and 0 and not will be the 1. If you know these three formula, then your question becomes easy, very easy. You can handle. After then only numerical, only calculation part is there. Like 8th class student also can solve this type of question. This is the IT JEE question. But any 8th class student, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, they can also solve this problem. If simple thing that a student should remember this formula, these three formulas should have to remember. And you are the 12th class student or 12th pass out student, and even the 11th class student, you are studying an IIT JEE syllabus, then you can remember these three formula very easy way. Am I right? This is the formula. You can remember this now. Remember this. Remember this. C n g naught plus C n 1 plus C n 2 dot C n n is equal to 2 to the power n. This is one formula. Remember? Yes, remember. Thumbs up. And another formula is NCR is equal to NC n minus R. Remember? Remember? NC naught is equal to 1. Then becomes easy. Now we can solve that question. Look at. Okay. Important formula is over. Take directly question. It is very easy to solve. And you will get the one correct option. It is a question. Look at here. Copy the question first. Solution part. The solution part. Write C 21 1 minus C 110 close plus C 2 21 minus C 210 plus C 3 minus C dot till where up to 10. C 10 21 minus C 10 10 is written. In this form is written. Now what we will do? Just we will open this all the bracket. If we will open all the bracket, what will there? Addition na 121 minus C1 10 here C2 21 minus C2 10 plus this plus na open this bracket C3 21 minus C3 10 dot C10 21 minus C10 10. This is all. Now do one thing. Whatever the like 21 term, write one place. Now 21 term. This is the 21, 21, 21. Whatever 21. So it will also be the 1 to 10. All are the plus value because sign is a plus. So all are the plus there. So 1, 21 plus C1, C1 to 2, 21 plus C3, 21 dot C10, 21. Okay. Another whatever the value 10, write another side. So another value is the minus C1 10 minus C2 10 minus C3 10 dot C10 10. Okay, arrange now. Do one thing this, do one thing this. Nothing will do, just we write C1 21 plus C2 21 plus C3 21 dot C10 21. Okay, here all are minus means took the minus outside. Internal inside it become as all positive. All positive, right? This is just a mathematics 8th class mathematics operation we are doing. This is not like the 12th class or intermediate JEE question type. Just we did the open this bracket, we wrote like that. Whatever the like term, take the one place, like 21, 20, all like term, one place. On like another like term, like 10, 10, 10, we took the one. See the minus one place minus, here also minus 2, minus 3, minus, like that. Whatever the C10, whatever that minus minus. So we wrote ourselves. This is just bracket here. All the minus we took the common. If minus will take the common, inside will become as a plus. So we wrote the plus. Over. Then no. If you remember that formula, in that formula, again we can write here. I am going to write that formula here. Where I write here. Take here only. That formula is C naught n plus C1n plus C2n plus dot C n, here also n is equal to 2 to the power n. This is the formula. Remember, just before we explain 2 to the power 2 to the power n, 0 n, n n. In this question, look at here 10 21 not valid. Here 1 2 3 4 10 10 10 10. So we can write here, but here starting of 1 2 3. But from this formula 1 2 3 have 0 1 2 3. So starting from the 0, what we will do here? Do one thing, just write here 1 plus, and adding here 1 and here minus means minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. It will be the 0. Means addition of 0 is nothing will happen. Here we are adding plus 1 and here also we will add the plus 1. Means 1 is this minus will. When it operates means here will come the minus 1 and here is the plus 1. So both plus minus cancel. So that logic we are applying here. 1 plus C1 21 plus C2 21 plus C3 21 dot C10 21. Okay, here minus is here means, so here writing that minus only is inside the bracket, we are writing the plus only, here also plus, but when I will open the bracket, here sign will not change, here plus only, but this minus after the open the bracket is minus 1. So minus 1, this is plus 1 will be cancelled. So here we are adding a plus 1 minus 1, 0 we are adding. So value will not change. Dot C10 10. This one just before we said n C naught is equal to 1. So you can write here like 21 C0 also 1 will come. Even though 20 like 10 C1 also will be the 10 C0 also will be the 1. So the place of this 1 we are writing, we are going to write this is 21 means 21 C0 plus 1 21. Are you getting any doubt? Nothing is here. Same thing we are writing. The place of 1 we are writing this formula nc naught is equal to what? The place of 1 we are writing nc naught. Means now required is the 21. So 21 c naught. That only I have 21 c naught. In this side also same. Here required is the 1 plus 10. So 10 c1 naught. 10 c naught plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 10. This become as this formula 0, 1, 2, 3, n, 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 n. Here 10, 10. So you can write here, place of this, you can write 2 to the power n value is 10, 2 to the power 10 here. This minus in middle is still there, still this is minus here. And the place of this you can take just anything like any letter, whatever. Take the this whatever you will take. Take y. This is the y. We took the y. Means y minus 2 to the power 10. This is y minus 2 to the power 10. This we are taking the equation number 1. This equation 21 not, but a 21 10 is there. 21 21, then we can add 2 to the power 21. But here not is there. So we are just assume this total part is equal to y. And we will solve the y again. And after that y value will put here, I will get the final result. I hope understand. Copy it first. Normal operation, nothing is there. Just remember this letter we will do. Okay. Now, just y we are taking. How much y? Y is equal to C naught 21 plus C 1 21 plus C 2 21 dot C 10 21. What we are going to do here, 10 is here, okay. Now what we will do, not 21, look at here what we will do, 121 plus C2 21 dot C10 21 plus we are adding the another term, we are adding C11 21 plus C12 21 dot C21 21. We add here from here, like from here 11 to 21 we add here. When we add here that much we will subtract also. So now that much term we are going to subtract also. So here this is the one term, add another, we are going to the subtract that value C 11 21 subtract minus C 11 after 12 21, this 12 21. So minus dot C 21 21 we subtract. Now we will keep in the one bracket C naught 21 plus C1 21 plus C2 21 dot total C 21 21. Any doubt till here one part? This here is the one part, we took the minus outside, this will become as a C11 21, take the bracket, plus C12 21 dot C21 21. Any confusion? No confusion. Now look at here. The term we are going to write, what another we said earlier, we explained before, n like n cr is equal to n cn minus r. One formula, third formula, second formula is this. From that we can write C21 11 is here, na? C21 11 is equal to C21 21 minus 11 nothing but 10. Means this will equal to the 10. Look at here, 21 minus 11 is equal to 10. C21 is equal to C21 11 is equal to C21 10. Similarly, C21, if you take the like 11 term, you can take the 12 term. So 12 term will become as a C21 10. So 12 become as a 10. Similarly, C12 after 13. 13 will become as a 9. So we can write here. So this will become as a 0, 1, 2, 3 and 21, 21. So 2 to the power 21 this is. From that we can write, look at here, C10 21 minus plus C9 21 dot 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 C0 21. Come to the point here. This is nothing but you can write in this form 0 1 2 3. No problem. 21 you can write this first and last like C0 21 plus C1 21 plus C2 21 dot 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 C10 21. And remember one thing, 0 to 21 this is the value, your question only, same thing. So you can write 21 minus this whole equal to y. No problem. You can write. Left side is also y. So this y transfer to the right side, left side. So y plus y is equal to 21 this much, and 2y is equal to 2 to the power 21. Right? Bilkul clear? Now this y is equal to 2 to the power 21 by 2. Clear? So it will equal to the y to the power, this is nothing but 2 to the power 21 by 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 to the power 21 minus 1, m by n formula 20. So this is equal to 20 minus how much? 2 to the power 20. So y is equal to 2 to the power 20. From this calculation we got the y is equal to 2 to the power 20. Right? Copy it. And in the equation number 1, you remember equation number 1 what is given, that equation before we create. So in that equation is y how much, y plus not y minus is here, y minus 2 to the power 10 is given. So what is the y value? So y value is 2 to the power 20 minus 2 to the power 10. Y is 2 to the power 20 minus 2 to the power 10. Which is the option is correct? Option D is the correct option. 2 to the 20 minus 2 to the 10. So you can write this is a D is the correct option, is the correct. So your answer is equal to D. D for Delhi. Your D for Delhi is the correct answer. Now you solve your IIT JEE question. This is the IIT JEE question. Obviously, calculation will be the like 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, all will be there. Calculation will be the like heavy calculation, but formula will be the very less. Only three formula run this question. Only three formula. What do you understand? JEE is difficult, huh? JEE is not a difficult, very easy. Now, but it depends on the way of teaching, way of learning. Your teacher, in which way they are teaching, your teacher can make this question in the difficult way, your teacher can make this question in the easiest way. So it depends on your teacher. Similarly, learner also, you are the learner, you want to make this question become as a difficult way, you want to make this question become as an easy way. So this is the way of approach when your teacher will start this question directly, and after then they will explain directly. So directly means, what is the directly? Without approach, they are not teaching how to approach this question. Approach is first primary thing. Just open the eye and look this question. Open the eye, just look this question. What you are looking? This type of question. What is the approach of this? When you are looking this question, first approach this question from which area? In the IIT, they are not chapter wise, na? So this, by looking this question from the which area? Okay, C minus like that. The term is the two term. Okay, calculate in your brain. Yeah, this is the term binomial theorem. This comes under the binomial. Okay, binomial. In binomial formula, formula remember. So many formula is there. So which formula is applicable here? Just calculate. Okay, C1 like 1 to 10, 1 to 10 like that. Okay, C10 10. So just addition if you open, easily you can now open the bracket and you can understand. Okay. So this is the one of the formula. That formula we explain the important formula. C1 Cn not plus Cn1 dot 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 Cnn is equal to 2 to the power n. That formula is applicable here. Next, continue. That is the important formula. while you calculate you apply. After then by the calculation, while we are going to the calculation means some logic will apply, means that the question is starting from the like c not c and not means c 1 0. So 0 is not term in available, 1 means starting from the 1, so 0 term is not available. So what we will do, so another formula already we say c n c naught n c 0 is equal to 1. So we will add the 1 1, like 1 plus 1 minus will be the cancel, it is 0. So that is logic we have to apply. Apply means we solve the question clearly. After then already you saw the how we solve it. Once we tell the y means we explain how we get the y. We will keep here and what the final value. IIT JEE question is not a difficult. Here single formula is applicable. Total three formula we applied. Whatever, not beyond that three formula. Not this all the discuss around only three formula. We discuss here. We explain totally. I hope you understand properly. JEE is not a difficult. It is very easy. It depends on way of learning, way of teaching. Nothing is a difficult. Nothing is a easy. It only depends on way of teaching, way of learning. So this is JEE 2000 question, recent question, 2017 question we solved. You know what is the value of one question? You got the one question, one correct question means 8,000 rank. One single question becomes as a 7 to 8,000 rank decided. If you correct one question, it decide your rank will be the 7 to 8,000. I hope it is clear. If any doubt, you can copy it. Already we copied, you copied before only. One more thing, our information regarding here. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp your question in this WhatsApp number. We will provide you video solution on the YouTube channel MPC Register. Yeah. If you want any personal tuition online, offline at Hyderabad. If you want online tuition, one-to-one meeting, so you can just call on this number. We will discuss regarding that. Thank you. Thank you for attending our class.